Good morning, students. Today in NCC, our topic is problem solving. The fifth core life skill. We'll be discussing about problem solving. We'll be discussing how to improve the skill of problem solving, importance of problem solving skill, and the meaning of problem solving. Problem solving, the process of working through details of a problem to reach a solution. Problem solving may include mathematical or systematic operations and can be a gauge of an individual's critical thinking skills. So we can say that the process of working through details of a problem to reach a solution is known as the problem solving. In detail, a problem is an unpleasant situation which prevents people from achieving what they want to achieve. Any activity to eliminate a problem is termed problem solving. So that activity which eliminates these problems, which becomes a problem for us to achieve our goals, that is known as problem solving. Problem solving refers to our ability to solve problems in an effective and timely manner without any impediments. So it is a skill which it is a skill, or we can say it is an ability to solve the problems in an effective and timely manner. It involves being able to identify and define the problem, generating alternative solutions, evaluating and selecting the best alternative, and implementing the selected solution. Obtaining a feedback and response to it appropriately is an essential aspect of problem solving skills too. So, the first thing is to identify the problem, define it, generate alternative solutions if possible, evaluate it, and select the best alternative. Then implement it so that we can get the result, we can get the solution. We face problems every time. However, some problems are more complex than others, but whether you face big problems or small ones, this skill help us to solve it effectively. Importance of problem solving. Obviously, every organization has problems and every individual has problems too. For this reason, the ability to solve problems is of great importance to individuals and organizations. Some of the benefits include make the impossible possible, which we think that it is impossible. By having the skill of problem solving, we make it possible. Knowledge alone is not the key to solving problems, but rather complementing it with systematic problem solving approaches makes a difference. This helps individuals and organizations overcome various challenges, makes you stand out. People are trained to do the usual. They have acquired skills, general skills, and knowledge in what they do. However, people can hardly solve problems when they are unexpected or unprecedented ones. If you become a regular problem solver at your workplace, you are easily noticed, recognized, and appreciated. Increased confidence. It increases our confidence. No matter where you work or what your profession is, having the ability to solve problems will boost your confidence level because you are sure of your ability to solve problems. You don't spend time worrying about what you will do if a problem should arise. How to improve upon this skill? How to improve the problem solving skill? Just like any of the other skills, the art of problem solving can be learned and improved upon. Below are few tips to help you improve the skill. So it is inborn skill, but we can improve it in our day-to-day life. We can improve it throughout life. These are few points by which we can improve this skill. Detach yourself from the problem. Don't regard yourself as a problem itself, and don't presume you are incapacitated to solve the problem. See the problem as the enemy that has to be defeated by you. So you have to see the problem as an enemy so that you can defeat him. You should not make yourself in the problem. Analyze it in parts and not as a whole. When you are watching a problem, you are seeing a problem. Don't watch it as a whole. Watch it as parts so that it can be easy for you to break it through parts. Don't see the problem as a whole big unit that needs to be fixed. That may deter you from attempting to solve it. Rather, break it into parts and tackle them step by step and portion by portion. Be inquisitive and investigative. Being inquisitive and conducting thorough investigation and research helps you identify what the core of the problem is. In other words, it grants you access to the cause of the problem. Once the real cause of the problem is known, it becomes easier to solve it. So when you become inquisitive and investigative, you'll come to know about the basic cause of this problem. When you come to know about the basic cause of this problem, it will be easier for you to solve the problem. Be open to suggestions. If this again an important point for improving the skill, you should be open for the suggestions. Other people's contribution can be very helpful. It saves you the time of having to search for every piece of information that is needed. So, problem solving, identify the problem, give time, explore it, action, and log back. Thank you.